The Great Northern Railway, a name synonymous with Victorian innovation and ambition. Founded in 1846, the GNR was more than just tracks and trains. It was a lifeline connecting London to the booming industrial heartlands of northern England. The line's station platforms were fitted with cast iron lampposts. Do you recognise it? Once our lamppost was fitted in the ground, we noticed a GNR logo. You've just got a sneak peek of the restoration. So going back to the restoration, once we'd cleaned the internal insert for the lamp, we then took to the garden and sanded down what appears to be aluminium that had actually corroded over time. So with this being the case, a lot of the paint did come off when sanding, which gave us quite a nice base to then spray a nice shiny coat onto this lamp. Now, as I'm always prepared for the occasion, you'll notice the grass got a slight painting of its own, but the lamp does look good after this spray of Rust-Oleum. The lamppost itself needed sanding, so I got these attachments on Amazon and attached them to the drill and just sanded the post. I didn't want the post to look brand new, as this is an 1800s pole, so it came out pretty well. I applied some seed to the new soil that had been put round the base and connected up the electrics. Now the post was in the ground and, well, let's just say looking how it should. With the power applied to the lamp, it comes on automatically at night, which is quite nice. And yes, it does still have a high pressure sodium bulb. But now the lamp restoration was completed, we can simply admire. It was also quite nice to know we had an 1800s Great Northern Railway lamppost. Thanks for following our lamppost restoration. You've enjoyed a video on Chiltern Views.